Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about antisocial personality disorder. More specifically, we'll take a look at the diagnostic features of this disorder to build a well-rounded definition and get a better idea of ASPD. Ultimately, this is when an individual demonstrates a pattern of disregard for and violation of the rights of others. This disregard must occur before the age of 15 and is indicated by at least 3 of the following symptom criteria. First is when someone repeatedly fails to conform to social norms and continually performs unlawful acts which are grounds for an arrest. Another is deceitfulness, which is repetitive lying, using aliases, or tricking others for personal profit or pleasure. Impulsivity, or a failure to plan ahead. Irritability and aggressiveness, which can include consistently getting into physical fights or committing acts of physical assault. A reckless disregard for safety of oneself or for safety of others. Irresponsibility, which can be a consistent lack of financial responsibility, defaulting debts, or failing to support for dependents, or a lack of work responsibility, where an individual may have large employment gaps despite available job opportunities, or an individual abandons a job without a realistic plan to get another. Finally, a lack of remorse, when an individual hurts, mistreats, or steals from another person. They will be indifferent to it or rationalize these acts by blaming the victim or believing the victim deserved this hardship. Let's take a look at a few more important criteria. As mentioned earlier, evidence of these behaviors must occur before the age of 15. However, a diagnosis cannot be made until the individual is at least 18 years old. And finally, the occurrence of this antisocial behavior cannot exclusively occur during the course of schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.